Hi guys, welcome to Bite Official, and in today's video, I have this parcel with me, which is the Logitech MX Master 4. Okay, so let me just unbox this quickly. And basically, I purchased this from Amazon, and yeah, it is now available in India. So right now, you can get this from Amazon for around 9K. Okay, that's what you'll find. But if you earlier, we had only one option, that was Desert Card, and from there, it was for around 15 to 19K. So yeah. The price has now reduced significantly since now it is locally available. And yeah, this is the Master 4, the Windows version and the black one. So this comes in this black packaging. And yeah, we also get 1 month of Adobe Creative Cloud subscription free with this. Yep. And if I move to the back, so here we can see this is the MX Master 4 in the graphite color. And if you see here, again, this is manufactured in China and it has been imported in this year only. Okay, so manufactured in November, imported in December. And here, if I can see the price, because I think not mentioned for some reason. Here it says. So here you can see the actual price MRP is 16K. So now let us unbox this. And yeah, this time I'm satisfied from Amazon. The earlier time when I purchased the MX Mechanical Mini, the box was not sealed. But this is properly sealed box. But yeah, Logitech is following its recyclable policy, and here you can see everything is of cardboard, nothing, no plastics and all. Yes, okay. So inside you can see here we have it's heavy, and this is the MX Master 4. So keep it aside and see what else we have here. Or if this is another tab on there, and okay, nothing much, just a couple of documents. But it's here is the bolt receiver, and yeah, this you can see this is the type C. Okay. If I basically if you purchase the MX Mechanical Mini, there you get the USB bolt receiver. But this with this MX Master Core, we are getting a Type C. So now I have a collection of bolt receivers. This is the Type C, and if you want to see, I have the USB one as well with me. You can see Type C. This is the one from my Mechanical Mini. Okay, so now two bolt receivers I have, and yeah, I have two unifying receivers as well. As you can see, this is my old mouse, that is the M235. Okay, and this uses this bolt receiver. So yeah. Now I have a collection of Logitech receivers. And by the way, here, okay, again, some papers and all. We are definitely not going to read. And then I think nothing much here. Okay, I don't think there is anything else here. But still, see if I can remove this or not. Okay, this is stuck. So I think they are not providing us with a USB cable for some reason. And I don't know what this is. Maybe to keep this in place. And here also, if I see, yeah, the USB cable is not provided for some reason, but again, it's fine. Let's keep this aside. And now let's look at this. So this was the older unifying receiver, and then this is from the MX Mechanical Mini, and that's the Type A, and this is the latest Type C. And if you see, not only has the size gone down, it's from Type A to Type C, the actual size is reduced. And this also you can see now this is a bit more thickened, but the width or is now less. You can see this. If I compare them side by side, you can see the width is lessened, but the thickness is increased. But all over, yes, you see the footprint has reduced a lot with the introduction of Type C. As you know that now most of the laptops they support Type C. Okay, now coming back to the mice itself. So first we are going to remove this. And here we can see the mice its full glory. So see, basically this is has its own inbuilt battery in it, and which can be charged via Type C on the top over here. Apart from that, it has like two buttons and both are silent. You can see. So left click, right click, and the scroll is also clickable, though the scroll click is not silent. And on the left hand side, you can see three more buttons which we can custom assign, and these are also sort of silent. And then finally, the thumb scroll. Yeah, man, it feels good. And then here we have this button. So now you can see this is the magnetic scroll, if I'm not wrong. So this is the scroll. This is, I think, the DPI switch. And again, here we have the action ring as well. And here, the back, we have a button to turn it on. So now let's turn it on and see. And by the way, this comes with 8000 own. Wow, that was the haptic motor. And that was actually amazing. And you can see this, the action, this entire thing clicks. And yeah, we have haptics in it, which feels good to save. And now let's connect this. Okay, so I am using this one on. And by the way, this can connect via Bluetooth as well as this mm, receiver. So I'm connecting with the receiver. Okay, let me try to plug it somewhere and let's remove this out. And then receiver. And now on the PC, I'm going to open the Logi Options Plus. And here I can see this is already come up. Or I think it's just an ad. Okay. That photo. Okay, now my both the Logitech products are seen. Now I need to add this third one. Let's see if we can connect this with the same one. Okay, connection type. Yeah, bolt receiver. Yeah, MX Master 4. It is showing with the bolt receiver. Press and hold the connect button on your device for 3 seconds to put it in loading mode. Connect. Just face left. Left. Click right. Click right. Click right. I don't know why they do this, but again, it's pairing. Wait, I think the left and right didn't match. I think we have to click them together. Click right. Click left. 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 Right. Left. Left. Right. Right. Left. Both of this. So left and right, we have to click both of them together. And yes, now you can see this is now working. I think I can go back now. I don't know. Okay, it came up. It has 55% charge. So here we can see all the buttons. Okay, so the middle button. Okay, this is the shift wheel button. And yeah, this wheel seems amazing. You can see this hyper scrolling. And if I click this again, I now it is like tactile. And now the wheel is free. Then we have the horizontal scroll, forward and back keys, which can be, I think, customizable. So action ring. Yeah, so this is the action ring you can see here. And yeah, you can see as whenever I just move to one any of them, the mouse is also vibrating. It's giving the haptic feedback, which to be honest feels amazing. And from here we can basically configure the speed and everything. Pointer speed also I need to. We can use the 8K DPI as well. If now it seems fine, I think I'm going to give it a bit. It's too much. More. Okay, I think this is fine for me. Okay, so that was pretty much in the application. And now if I come back to this mice, you can see these scroll wheels, both of them are very premium, made up of metal. And yeah, this mice is heavier than 10 grams from the original. That was the MX Master 3S, the previous generation. And yeah, this is again repairable because if you have noticed that in the Master 3S, we had these screws hidden beneath this feet, and which, and as I have seen the reviews, the feet were very difficult to remove. But now that's not the case. Now we can easily open the screws and repair this mouse in case something breaks. And yes, here we have the device switching also. You can use this to switch between three devices. You can see they are blinking, that means it's in the pair mode. Right now, you have connected only one device to it, and this is here the power on off button. Here we have the dark sensor and the IR infrared. So I don't know if this camera is able to capture the infrared light or not. And basically, this can track on glass as well. And apart from that, the material it seems fine. It has now lost that rubbery finish that the MX Master 3 has had. This is now more of kinds of carbon fiber finish. You can see this is the textured layer of carbon fiber. Let's say how long it lasts and how it is. And on the sides, this is rubber. Tin. Okay, which is good actually. And this is again only for right-handed people for some reason, but Logitech should make a left-hand mouse as well. You could wait just to see. If I hold this, yeah, it is heavy, like much heavy than my the smaller mice. But again, I like the feel. You can see when I hold, my pinky finger is still touching the surface. I think I need to. Okay, yeah, this is how I hold. Look at this. You can see my pinky finger is still a bit touches the surface of the table, but again, I think I'll get used to the holding position in this case. If you really touched, okay. So that was pretty much it from my side of this review. And yes, one more thing we need to check over here is the Type C. So I didn't get the Type C cable, but let me see if I get a cable, then can I connect this with the Type C and try to use it? So I'm removing the receivers from here. Now this is not usable. And need a Type C cable. So if I just connect a Type C cable to it, you can see as soon as I connect the cable, it starts charging. But unfortunately, this mouse does not work with this cable. So this Type C port is only for charging. You cannot basically use the mouse with the Type C port. And yeah, it has one more use. If you want, you can just keep this dongle here as well. Because here literally we don't have any other way to keep a dongle. And one more thing I noticed right now. Let's see, when I turn it this, so you can see this gives that kind of a transparent look on the top, this plastic part. And yeah, I love the haptics for some reason. Mm. So that was my review of this product. And yeah, some things that I would have liked to see here would be a place to store this apart from here, because you can see in my original mice, I had this over here to store my dongle while traveling. And yeah, this lasted me a good 8 years. So I am wishing that this again lasts me a lifetime maybe. So yeah, that was all from my side. And thanks for watching. Do like this video and let me know if you have any queries, any questions regarding this mouse or the other MX products like the MX Prio, which is recording this video right now, or the MX Mechanical Mini, which I purchased a couple of weeks earlier. So thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.